already. Hi, this is how you make coffee. Okay, this is a real Vietnam coffee house in on the ocean. Use a nice glass like this. Okay, that's a real nice glass. Here's the coffee. You see how small it is? You put about that much coffee in. Okay, you see the size of my thumb? Okay, it's about the size of my thumb. And about half of it, you put water, like the size of your thumb, okay? And a third of it, you put the coffee grounds, okay? Just about here, 20 grams. You got hot water. I pour some hot water in the top, in there. And if you want to put some ice on the side, that's very nice. You can get $10 for this. All day you can get $2.50 in USA. If you want to blend it, you can blend it. If you want to add 50 cents to $1.50 for unlimited tea, do that too. The people will enjoy. Okay, you know how to get a hold of me. See you again. Enjoy.